Okay, so hey guys, me and my brother Chevy is gonna start doing a thing for 5 weeks. 5 weeks challenges every week, and it's Sunday, and Sunday is the start of the week. If you didn't know that, yeah, because it's like almost 12. Yeah. So the challenge, I'll tell you that later. But if you watch YouTube, obviously, because you're watching me now, but go follow my cousin Angel. You can see me in the picture, and then she's with the puppy dog face or cat face and the glasses, and then go watch her videos and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. And I'm sorry it's dark. I have a little white light so you can see my face and everything, because it's almost dark. But the challenge, I'm gonna tell you now. Stop. The challenge is rap. We gotta write a rap song by next Sunday. That should be a lot of time. And I'm just gonna put this out there. Go follow, you know I told you go follow Angel. Go follow Roman Atwood at Roman Atwood Vlogs and Roman Atwood Pranks. So yeah, go follow him. He's my best and favorite YouTube channel ever. I like his vlogs, but he just took a 2-day thing off. That was alright. Okay, that's all I gotta say to y'all. So see ya.